Are you planning to build your dream residential? The process of building is no doubt very hectic and worrisome. It needs detailed planning clarity and tools that help you complete the project without any issues. But from now on, you can create your own home building plan in just 5 days. Say bye-bye to your pricey consultancy fees and accept our do-it-yourself like a pro architect challenge, and the catch is no experience is required. We are providing additional tutorials, checklists, real-time and ready-made editable formats to help you create a masterpiece. If you are having any doubts or difficulties, you can communicate with our trainer, expert, or consultant for guidance. You can communicate via registered mail ID. In 5 days of do-it-yourself challenge, you will be guided on how to create a site inspection report on day 1. On day 2, you will be able to know how to unbox the secret of Vastu Shastra. On day 3, you will be able to explore user-friendly drawing tools. On day 4, you will be able to create boundary layout plan. On day 5, you will be able to create the final floor and furniture layout plan. You will also get 5 valuable add-ons like 3D exterior view creation video tutorial, site inspection report checklist format, 30 plus ready-made come editable floor plans, 10 plus planning tutorial videos, centerline planning video tutorial. And you will get free expert support in which you can communicate with our trainer, expert, or consultant for guidance via registered mail ID. We have trained and experienced staff who can work efficiently on the site plan for the duplex building, which is a crucial element that outlines the layout and organization of the property. It serves as a visual representation of the entire site, illustrating the placement of the duplex within its surroundings. The plan typically includes details such as property boundaries, driveways, walkways, landscaping elements, and the positioning of each unit within the duplex. We have experienced staff who can create conceptual plan, which is a visionary document that lays the foundation for the entire design process. It is a creative roadmap that reflects the homeowner's aspirations, lifestyle preferences, and aesthetic sensibilities. In this initial phase, architects and designers collaborate closely with clients to understand their needs and desires, translating them into a cohesive vision. This collaborative approach fosters a dynamic exchange of ideas and allows for adjustments before the formal design phase begins. The conceptual plan not only guides the subsequent architectural and engineering decisions, but also inspires a sense of anticipation and excitement for the future homeowners as they witness their vision taking shape. Ultimately, it sets the tone for a home that is not only functional and structurally sound, but also a true reflection of the inhabitants' unique lifestyle and design preferences. We have experienced staff who can create floor plan, which is a foundational document that translates the conceptual vision into a practical, spatial layout. It serves as a bird's eye view of the entire home, delineating the arrangement and dimensions of each room, corridors, and common areas. The floor plan is a crucial tool for architects, builders, and homeowners alike, providing a detailed blueprint for construction and interior design. It specifies the location of doors, windows, and key structural elements, ensuring a harmonious flow and efficient use of space. We have experienced staff for furniture layout plans. The furniture layout plan within the framework of a home building plan is an essential component that brings the architectural vision to life by defining the placement and arrangement of furniture within each room. This plan goes beyond the structural aspects, focusing on optimizing the functionality and aesthetics of living spaces. We have experienced staff for designing 3D exterior view of a duplex building that serves as a pivotal tool, offering a realistic and immersive preview of the structure's aesthetic and spatial qualities. This innovative rendering technique transforms two-dimensional blueprints into a vivid, tangible experience, allowing architects, clients, and stakeholders to explore the building's exterior in meticulous detail before the actual construction begins. In the context of a duplex building, the 3D exterior view becomes even more crucial, as it captures the unique design elements and symmetry inherent in such structures. Do you know 9 out of 10 owners are facing these issues? Difficulty in hiring a friendly architect consultant. the architect is not giving enough time to your project. Site visit charges seem useless. Consultancy charges are beyond your budget. Extra charges being applied for frequent changes. Taking time more than expected to deliver the plan. Forcefully you are being pushed to costlier ways of construction to generate commission. You didn't like the way the architect planned for you? Your ideas are not being considered for planning. You are being asked for lots of hidden charges. Your architect asks you to come out to his or her office frequently and makes you wait for a long time. There are 4 different options to create building plans. 1. Outsource. Spend countless hours waiting for the perfect plan, spend lots of money, and hope you will like the end result. 2. Ask your relative. Feel yourself with hesitance for getting a half-fledged work free of cost. Cannot ask for frequent changes. 3. Generative AI. Generate a most likely yet non-customizable plan, which doesn't help you get a perfect plan that suits your conditions. 4. My home, my plan. Takes just 5 days to create a perfect plan for your dream project. You will also get free text support online. Thanks for watching our video, and accept our do-it-yourself program and be the architect of your dream home.